So we're going to the train tracks at dark. This is not a good idea. It looks bright, but that's just because I have a brighter. And like, just look around. It's getting dark. I'm scared. Mostly scared. I'm mostly scared of an animal. I got my friend Johnny. He's on the phone with Nate. He's showing from the train tracks. And then like, if my secondary is people, like, I don't know, like someone that's like, I don't know, delinquent or something escapes. Or someone like that spray paints the bridges.
Hey, look how deep this is.
I'm all dip.
Yeah. It's deeper than my hand.
So, I'm gonna record like a 6-minute video. I'm just scared. I don't want to get these new shoe bottoms dirty. Besides, you can wash it off anyways, right? Let me look at it. Besides, I think it doesn't really matter unless somehow a rock goes through one of my jaw pads. But otherwise, are you ready?
Yup.
Now we put our scooters like, wait 1 second, like up here in those bushes. You can see it's probably blurry.
Phone.
Phone.
Look at your scooter. That's loud.
Yeah.
Hold it right here.
Huh? Like this.
Remember, I'm still gonna check behind us.
I'm checking that. Yeah, imagine if we do hear someone and we're trapped out here and we have to like call the cops.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Start picking up the pace.
that was so scary. Wait, no, I can come up an SUV. No, I can go up an SUV.
Remember when me and Miles went out here and we thought it wasn't his dad, stepdad? See the lights are on that bridge over there. There's a pond, but that's not really the good pond.
Oh, here's where we put down.
Yeah.
Like, this is where we put down our scooters right here. Just so no one robs them.
And there. Or someone comes through and runs them over. Now this, I'm gonna check my shoes quick. Yeah, it won't really make a difference. Yeah, I'll be good.
Oh my
Okay.
God, these are so hard.
So I don't know if you can see them, but there's pellets, and then this is the train track rail.
See, Nate, look at train track.
Now this is water. There's a bigger pond. I'm sorry if it's dark, but we just came out here late. And I don't know if you can see, but there's woods over there. If like there's anything in there, let us know in the comments. But I just got my new phone, and then I have no subscribers on it. I had 12 and I had like 3 videos. I deleted like 4 though. So yeah, just stop bragging about your iPhone 11. So what if I have a Samsung 20? It's still good.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go pick up a little pace because I want to show them the... I was about mid-speed. I don't know if that'll pop up. Hey, I don't know if you can see, but it's this big pond. And when we see it, and wait, show them the sound. Throw the things in, pebbles. Listen to the sound, guys. And then like there's a little river, and there's a pond. But you want to show you the bridge? Oh God, I almost fell.
Don't show the graffiti, Parker.
The inappropriate graffiti?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm only gonna go to the side with like the UFO and stuff. And then after that, I want a GTFO because it's getting dark. You can see the lights are on the bridge up there. I don't know what those lights are. I think those are houses over there to the going there. I don't know if you can. Oh yeah, you can see nothing. It's kind of redder on camera. Okay, let's start jogging. Well, I'm recording a video and I'm just explaining stuff, but now I am. Thanks for reminding me.
Where me and Parker talk about our crushes. normally.
Gonna start jogging. Shh. I heard something. Shh.
And you already know my crush, right? Who is it?
I swear to God. Let's show him quickly. Go quickly.
Why?
I don't know, I just heard a sound. Johnny, run! Jog! Run! Something run across! Go!